and toe for toe, arm in arm and rolling on from Mari's wedding. Red cheeks and Robin's are brightly rising since dark. There is still from all but far, this our darling Mairi. Plenty heavy, plenty new, plenty meat to feed a crew, plenty body binds as well. That's the toast of the Mairi. With Mairi and we go, you fall heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and rolling on from Mari's wedding. With Mairi and we go, you fall heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and rolling on from Mari's wedding.
This dance is Mairi's Wedding, choreographed by the Laird of the Dance. It's a 16 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Hitch on the and count, shuffle forward, right, left, and shuffle forward, left, right, left. Touch heel and toe. Section 2. Shuffle forward, left, right, left, step forward, pivot a quarter turn left, cross and heel and heel and heel. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. At the end of wall 14, which is during an instrumental section, there is an 8 count tag. You'll be facing the back. It's right heel, coaster step, left heel, coaster step. With counts 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then you start again, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that's the whole dance.